Hello everyone, welcome to new class. Today's class is about RMS value and average value of an alternating quantity. Let us go through RMS value or root mean square value. An alternating voltage or current can be expressed in terms of its instantaneous value, peak value, or RMS value. However, the alternating voltage or current is mostly commonly referred by its RMS value. This RMS value of an alternating current is based on its heating effect in an electric circuit. RMS value of an alternating current may be defined as that value of DC current which when flows through a given resistance produces the same amount of heat as that produced by the alternating current passing through the same resistance for the same time. It is also called effective or virtual value. To find the RMS value of an alternating quantity, the equation of sinusoidal alternating current is given by I is equal to Im sin theta. Then the equation for the squared wave, I square is equal to Im square sin square theta. The mean of the squares of instantaneous value of currents over the first half cycle. That is, this is the sine wave and let this be the squared wave. Then the mean of the squares of instantaneous value of currents over the first half cycle equal to area of the first half cycle of the squared wave divided by its base. That is integral over 0 to pi I square d theta divided by base is half cycle, that is pi. That is 1 by pi integral 0 to pi I square is Im square sin square theta d theta. Im square is a constant, take it outside. Im square divided by pi integral 0 to pi sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 d theta. Then take the integral of 1 minus cos 2 theta. Integral of 1 is, that is integral of a constant is theta, and integral of cos 2 theta is sin 2 theta divided by 2, and also take this 2 outside here, then we get Im square divided by 2 pi theta minus sin 2 theta divided by 2 within the limit 0 to pi. Applying the limits, we get pi minus sin 2 pi is 0, then 0 minus pi minus 0, then 0 minus sin 0 is 0, then we get pi Im square divided by 2 pi into pi, that is Im square divided by 2. Therefore, the root of mean of squares, that is RMS value, is I is equal to root of Im square by 2, that is Im by root 2, or we can write 0.707 Im. That is, for sinusoidal current, the RMS value is IRMS equal to Im by root 2, that is the maximum value divided by root 2. Let us go through average value. Average value of an alternating current is defined as that steady direct current which transfers across any circuit the same amount of charge as it is transferred by the alternating current during the same time. In the case of a symmetrical alternating current, average value over a complete cycle is 0. Hence, in such a case, the average value is found by considering one half cycle only. To find the average value of an alternating current, consider the equation of a sinusoidal alternating current I is equal to Im sin theta. Then I average is given by, that is the average value is given by area of the first half cycle of the sine wave divided by its base. That is integral 0 to pi I d theta divided by pi equal to 1 by pi integral 0 to pi I is Im sin theta d theta. Then take this Im outside, Im by pi. Integral of sin theta is minus cos theta within the limit 0 to pi. Then cos pi is minus 1 and cos 0 is 1. Now we get Im by pi 1 minus minus 1 equal to 2 Im by pi. That is, for a sinusoidal current, the average value is given by Im by pi by 2 or 2 Im by pi, or we can write 0.637 Im. Im is the maximum value. Let us study about the peak factor and form factor. Peak factor or amplitude factor denoted by the letter Kp. The ratio of the maximum value to the RMS value of an alternating quantity is called its peak factor. For sinusoidal quantity, we can write Kp is equal to maximum value Im divided by RMS value is Im by root 2. Then we get root 2, that is 1.414 as the peak factor for the sinusoidal quantity. Next is form factor denoted by the letter Kf. The ratio of RMS value to the average value of an alternating quantity is called form factor. For sinusoidal quantity, Kf is equal to IRMS divided by I average. That is, IRMS is Im by root 2 and I average is 2 Im divided by pi. We get the form factor as 1.11 for the sinusoidal quantity. Let us do a simple problem relating the form factor, RMS value, average value, maximum value of an alternating quantity. The question is, an alternating current is given by I equal to 62.35 sin 323 t ampere. Determine maximum value, frequency, RMS value, average value and form factor. We know the instantaneous value of an alternating current is I is equal to Im sin omega t. And here it is given that I is equal to 62.35 sin 323 t ampere. From this we get the maximum value. That is maximum value I max is equal to or Im equal to 62.35 ampere. Next we have to find frequency. We know omega equal to 2 pi f. From this we get frequency f is equal to omega by 2 pi. And omega is, comparing these two equations, what is the value of omega? 323. So we get 323 divided by 2 pi. Pi is 3.14 and we get a frequency as 51.4 Hertz. Then RMS value is Im by root 2. The maximum value is 62.35 divided by root 2 and we get 44.1 ampere. Next is average value. Average value is 2 Im divided by pi. 2 into 62.35 divided by 3.14 equal to 39.71 ampere. And form factor is IRMS divided by I average. IRMS is 44.1 divided by 39.71 equal to 1.11. Note that form factor has no unit because both are amperes. Thank you for watching the class. If you like the classes, please like, share with your friends and subscribe my channel.